Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Squarespace Domains for SSL and UI security, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your Squarespace domain for SSL and UI security, first, log into your Squarespace account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Settings section on the left sidebar. Select Domains from the options presented. Locate the domain you wish to authorize for SSL. Click on the domain name to open its settings. In the domain settings, find the SSL section. Ensure the option for Enable SSL is selected. If it is not already enabled, switch the toggle to the On position. Next, you will need to confirm your domain status with Squarespace. Check for any notifications or warnings regarding domain verification. If prompted, follow the instructions to verify ownership of your domain. This may involve adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. To do this, go to your domain registrar's website. Log into your account and navigate to your domain's DNS management page. Add the provided TXT record in the appropriate section. After adding the TXT record, return to Squarespace. Click on the Check Status button to verify the changes. Once verified, the SSL certificate should automatically be generated. This process may take a few minutes to complete. While waiting, you can monitor the status in the Squarespace domain settings. Once the SSL certificate is successfully issued, you will see a confirmation message. After confirming, it is advisable to check your website's URL. Ensure it begins with https:// to signify that SSL is active. Additionally, assess any UI components that may require updates for enhanced security. Review all links, images, and resources to confirm they are secure. If any resources are not secured, update them to use HTTPS. Once all steps are complete, your site will be secured for visitors. Regularly check the SSL status for any potential issues moving forward. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.